Este es el teléfono que nos encontramos en la calle. El tren está llamando.
Yeah, you know, I found this phone on the sidewalk here. Like literally. I'm serious, and like I just found it. It says, "Is this phone yours? It's not our phone." And there's a note on it. And I picked it up. I'm just biking with my girlfriend, and I just hit redial. Do you know whose number this is? Okay. So I'm on like 240. I'm at 241. What street is this?
Ansley says there. What is that? Ansley's, what is that?
I don't know. Let me see here. Hey, excuse me. What street is this? What street is this? Hannah. We're at 239 Hannah. I swear this phone is on the sidewalk here. Is it? Well, I took a picture. I thought it was funny, but like me and my girlfriend, I'm like, what the heck? A phone on the sidewalk with a note saying, it says, "Is this your phone? It is not ours. Found here."
Wasn't that on the sidewalk?
You know,
yeah. 239 Hannah.
How does it work? Oh, he's on the phone.
Yeah.
That was strange.
Can you find a cross street?
Yeah, it's Hannah and
Ansley, what? Ansley.
Okay.
You cross over Broadway.
Yeah.
And the next stop sign is Dynasdale.
Okay.
She's giving you the address of the owner or what? Ok, bueno, paramos. La mujer le está respondiendo y le está dando la dirección del dueño del teléfono. Chao. Después fuimos cuando lleguemos a la casa. Chao.